Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another first impression unboxing video with another Orient. So basically this channel covers a lot of watches from the affordable range to whatever I can get my hands on. I'd like to create a database of reviews, unboxing videos for all these watches. So I try my best to get a lot of new watches to try them out, to give you at least a glimpse on how they would look on your wrist and also my honest opinion on them. So basically what I do is for these watches, I get them through Amazon. I try them out, and then if I like them, I keep them. Otherwise, I send them back. So we have this Orient, which actually is an automatic Orient, and it looks quite nice on the pictures. And let's see. Wow. I really like this one on the pictures because of the mesh bracelet. So let's see how good is the mesh bracelet in reality. By the way, I'm wearing my Anordain, enjoying it to the max. Let's take this off. So we have here the RA-AC0E07S10B. That's the reference number. It's an automatic watch, automatic Orient watch with a good size. And let me get out the caliper. Let me take the ring off so I don't scratch the watch. Always a problem. So the caliper, the watch is supposed to be 40 millimeters and 46 lug to lug, thickness of 12 millimeters, and lug width of 20 millimeters. You have an automatic movement. You have 100 meters water resistance. You can see here the in-house Orient movement from Epson. And it's a kind of a dress watch, but with 100 meters water resistance. It's an everyday watch. So this is a perfect office watch. And in my opinion, it's one of this under the radar Orient watches. So this looks like the Bambino, a little bit thicker, better water resistant. It has the caliber F6722 inside, and here you can see it, F6722. That's the Orient in-house caliber, Japanese. And the reference number I think is 225. That's the reference number. This watch on the mesh bracelet is 50 grams, so really light. And you have rose gold indices and rose gold hands. It has hand winding. It has hacking, so it has hacking and hand winding. And the date jumps at the 12. Let's do 10. And I have a 17 centimeter wrist, 17.1, and as you can see, it matches perfectly on my wrist, and with this mesh bracelet looks quite nice. I really like this watch. Definitely an excellent watch from Orient. Didn't expect it to be that good, to be honest. You have polished case finish all over. Mesh bracelet is okay. I feel like it will... it doesn't actually. Maybe I have to try it out for a couple of days before I give my final verdict on it. It feels like it will take off my hair. I'm not a hairy guy by any means, but it feels like it will take off my hair somehow. That's the issue with mesh bracelets, or cheap mesh bracelets, let's say. But actually it looks on the mesh, it looks really nice on the mesh. And how do you change the mesh size? Basically you get this part out. You get this part out here. You move this around and then you close it back again, and then you adjust it. That was almost correct. So as you can see, I like to wear my watches really tight so they don't move around, and one finger under the bone. So here you get an idea on how it would look like on your wrist. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, so around 6.7 inches from the side. I actually want to try it out on a leather strap because this watch would look awesome on a leather strap. It looks actually quite good on this mesh bracelet, I have to say. I'm quite surprised for the price. It's 160 euros. So you get a really, really nice watch for 160 euros. 100 meters water resistant, everyday watch that you can keep on wearing. And I think that's where Orient shines right now. They took the place, maybe Orient and Citizen, from Seiko as the king of affordable watches. And I think, let me get the light just right on it. As you can see, has a little bit AR coating, but not so much. And yeah, definitely a great offering by Orient. I'll leave an unaffiliated link to Amazon in the description. Be sure to check out other websites. Maybe you'll find $10 or $20 or euros less than the Amazon price, but at the moment it was the best price I found. And I left also the specifications, so if I missed anything, you'll find it down in the description below. Also, if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comments below. And this is an open invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.